Here's the Kia Sorento. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead, get the key fob, and first thing get the physical key out of there. Now you see that slot right there. We're going to take the physical key, put it right in that slot, and make sure it's in properly, and then we're going to twist it to pry this open. Okay, so get it in and twist it. Okay, it's open. Let's just follow along that edge, twist it again, and now let's just go around the sides of the key fob and keep on repeating the same motion, and it will pry open, and now it just comes apart. That's good. Now to get the battery out, again get the physical key and see right where I'm putting it. Just use the edge of the key to put it right in there and pry the battery out. You can even use a small screwdriver if you like. The battery size is CR2032 and the positive side is marked with a plus sign. The negative side has no markings on it whatsoever. Get the new CR2032 battery and with the negative side pointed upwards like this, put it in the way I'm showing and then press it on, and that's it. Now it's secured in place. Get the other half of the key fob, align it over here, make sure it's all properly aligned. Right, everything's looking good. Now start pressing this together to clip it back on, and be patient with this, may take a few seconds. Okay, now let's just put the physical key back in and let's go out and try this out. This is working and that looks good. Hope you found the video useful.